Hi everyone. Hey all. I am not able to see anyone. Oh yes, now I can see. Hi Sagar. Hi Sandeep. Hey everyone. Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? Hi Suhail. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so excited to meet you all today. I have some very important topic to discuss, which is going to be all about our immunity in the current pandemic. So stay tuned, and it's going to be interesting. It is something that I have been researching and working on, and I have been wanting to share all the knowledge that I have gained so far with all of you. So stay tuned for this live so that you will get to know too. So I'm going to be in conversation with BHMS, that is a bachelor in homeopathy and medical surgery. She is Dr. Sarla Kumari, and she has almost about 15 years of experience in this field. She's a homeopathy doctor and she has 15 years of experience, and she is also the MD at Neon Plus Homeopathy Healthcare Private Limited, that is, and she has Ayush approved patent holder. She's an Ayush approved patent holder for almost 76 homeopathy products. That is amazing. And she's going to basically catch with us. So she's going to basically join me in my live very soon. Dr. Sarla Kumari, that is. She is from Hyderabad, and we are going to have a quick conversation with her in detail of all the questions that I have in my mind that I want to ask her, which I think you guys would be interested in. Hi Shiva, hi Kapur. Hey everyone. So what was the special that you guys did for Gokulashtami, Janmashtami, that is? So here in Maharashtra, today it is Dahi Handi, and usually the Dahi Handi day is like a really packed, amazing day. Because we have this massive celebration, and I'm missing that. It usually rains a lot, and there are these massive gatherings which is being missed this year, so no Dahi Handi, but a very basic celebration I did at home. And I am in Pune, guys. Today I'm not in my Mumbai house, as you can see. I am in Pune, in my hometown. Yes, I met my family after 5 months, so it has been absolutely wonderful coming back home. Hi Durga. Hey Arjun. Hi everyone. So we're gonna have Dr. Sarla joining us very soon. So we're gonna be in conversation with her regarding our immunity and health and everything that we need to take care of. So stay tuned. How the rains in Hyderabad? I guess it has been raining a lot. And also, how's the situation as far as the virus is concerned in Hyderabad? Because it's a little under control in Mumbai, not so much in Pune right now. Hi Pushpa. Hey all. Lots of hearts coming my way. Thank you so much. So I am waiting for Dr. Sarla to join me in. She should be here any minute. And we are going to be discussing everything regarding the immunity. She is a BHMS. She has 15 years of experience in this field. Hi Durga, hi Venkatesh, hi Lakshmi, hey everyone. So good to see you all, guys. How is everyone doing? How is everyone taking care of themselves? Is everybody working from home and gotten bored already? Because I have been dying to go back on the sets and shoot. Thank you Praveen. Has she sent a request? Thank you so much, guys. I have been getting some tremendous love and support from you all for my cooking videos. So thank you so much. Yeah, so no, so there is a special episode that's going to be coming up that's going to be about the Shravan month. I think in Telugu it is Shravani, which is the monsoon season and which is the month dedicated to Lord Shiva. And I have just shot a special episode for Shravan, and you will get to see it. I think it's releasing on Friday, so stay tuned. And for all of you who've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and stay tuned because all my video updates will be there. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. Hi, hi, Aisha, hi, Pushpa. Hey everyone, so good to see you all. So I am waiting for Dr. Sarla to join us. She is a BHMS, that's a Bachelor in Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. And she's a health expert from Hyderabad who will be joining us very soon. And we're going to be having some interesting discussion about everything related to our immunity and keeping ourselves and our loved ones safe. I am waiting for her, and for some reason I can't see her request, so let's see. In the meanwhile, guys, did you check my latest video? In the meanwhile, did you check my latest video? It's up on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. And also send me what you want me to, you know, do next. Maybe some more street food. I've already done a lot of street food. And as you know, I'm missing street food just like all of us. So I want to recreate a healthier version at home. So I am actually waiting for Dr. Sarla to join me and waiting for her request, some technical issue, and I'm not able to see her request. So let's wait for that. In the meanwhile, tell me how is Hyderabad doing, because I am missing Hyderabad. It's the longest that I have not been to Hyderabad. Who else is here from Hyderabad? Okay, got it. So I think we just got Dr. Sarla online. She's just connecting. So I think we just got Dr. Sarla online. Namaskaram, Aunty. How are you?
Hi, Hamsaji. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah. So guys, we have Dr. Sarla. She is the Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, and she is a health expert from Hyderabad. And I am going to shoot some really important questions, all regarding the pandemic and keeping ourselves healthy and basically to keep our immunity strong, right? So she's going to answer all my questions. So stay tuned. And yeah, so I'm going to start off now. How is Hyderabad, Dr.
Hyderabad actually here raining continuously since
Yeah.
4 months, raining and gloomy, and weather is so dull.
Yeah, it's a little gloomy, but we like it. We like the monsoons a lot. So, Dr. Sarla, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Since you're a homeopathic doctor, I am somebody who has always used homeopathy as a kid, and my grandmom has always, if there's any issue with me, I have always, relied on homeopathy because I guess there are no side effects, right?
Right. Homeopathy has no side effects and it's a natural medicine. And
Yes,
it is prepared from naturally from herbs and minerals and natural things only.
absolutely. And it's safe for everybody to use?
Yes, because actually homeopathy is a natural system of medicine. We are natural, human beings are natural. So actually medicine, only natural medicine will suit natural ones. Homeopathy
Absolutely.
is completely natural, so there is no side effect, and it acts in a very fast manner. Because so many people think that homeopathy is very slow and very less effective. It takes long time to cure the diseases,
That's
but
not, yeah,
absolutely
that's,
wrong.
yes, that's completely
No,
wrong. I'm talking from my personal experience because I use it. I use some homeopathy medicine regularly and it does work wonders and extremely like immediately. Doesn't take
thank you,
that long.
Hamsaji, because you believe homeopathy a lot. Thank you. Thank you for your support also.
No, thanks for you. Thank you for joining us. And I'm going to drill you with a lot of questions.
Thank you.
Uh, yes, so there are some questions from the viewers as well that I'll be reading out. And so if you have any questions, guys, with Dr. Sarla, do let me know in the comments and I'll read that. There was a question regarding allergies. Um, does homeopathy really have scientific evidence to cure chronic or acute allergies?
Allergies means acute allergies mean cold, cough, flu, and everything comes under acute allergies. Chronic allergies means skin allergies comes under chronic allergies, skin allergies and asthmatic conditions.
Right, and
Home,
there is the medicine for that in
yeah,
homeopathy.
in
Oh,
homeopathy, for everything there is a medicine for that. You have to choose a right doctor.
absolutely, yeah. So, guys, Dr. Sarla is an MD of Neon Plus Homeopathic Care and Healthcare, that is, and she has 76 medicines, which are homeopathic medicines approved by Ayush and patented. So, would you like to just what all? So, you have like a different range, all different range of medicine.
Yeah, these are 76 products are for different 76 diseases. It includes chronic diseases and acute conditions also. Acute conditions like cold, cough, fever, and
Right.
allergic rhinitis and allergies. And chronic conditions like for kidney problems means gallbladder stones and psoriasis like chronic diseases and everything.
Yeah. So also you have two kids, right?
Yeah, I have two kids. Both are boys.
Both are
One is
boys. And
second one is in eighth class.
oh, one is a date. That's cool. That's cool. So how are you? Like, is there anything specially that you're taking, to keep them and their immunity strong? Is there anything that you're doing, or how is it being a mother and in this pandemic? It is a little worrisome, and also they're at home now, studying from home. So how's that going?
But Hamsaji, it is a very hectic thing because in schooling days they go to school and come in the evening only.
Yeah.
Right, they're continuously at the home, and at the same. But I am enjoying a lot with kids because continuously what they want and how they are behavior pattern. I have time to observe everything. And
Right.
regarding their immunity, I'm giving only home food because in this corona situation, I'm not allowing any cook or normal maids, anybody into my house. So
Yeah.
I'm only, and they are learning how to cook variety of items, and they are seeing YouTube and they are enjoying a lot.
Yeah, I
And
think they're learning more sitting at home than what they would learn in school. Most kids, I can see that. Yeah. Yeah. So is there anything specifically that you're cooking just from the, health perspective right now, or anything specifically that you're having in your regular meal at
in
home?
actually in every day morning at 11 o'clock after breakfast I am giving some dry fruits along with some fruit custard, and in the evening 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock again I'm preparing antioxidant rich foods like
And
only carrots, beetroots and coconut, everything, because it
yeah, that's
us from chronic diseases and every this kind of pandemic and epidemic situations like flu, corona, and everything.
Yeah. So, what do you have to say about building our immunity and keeping ourselves really strong, like guards up all the time, like we're doing all the sanitization and everything that is possible, social distancing and wearing a mask and trying to wash our hands and the hygiene levels and everything. But what do you have to suggest as far as keeping ourselves strong from within? Uh, how do we go about that?
For developing immunity, first your mind must be very strong. When you see this epidemic diseases like flu or corona is also one type of epidemic diseases like flu and cold only, but
Absolutely.
little bit stronger than normal viral diseases.
Right, right.
In this situation, first of all, you don't be panic about this corona situation and coronaviruses. Sanitization means everybody is daily sanitizing 3 to 4 times, or when they go outside, they are sanitizing their hands and everything.
Yes.
But only uh, alcohol sanitization is very good.
Yeah,
You must
yeah.
that the label 60% alcohol must be there in that sanitizer, and
Sanitizer, correct.
it is the virus, and sanitization only keeps your hand sanitized for 2 to 3 minutes only. If you
Absolutely.
want to take any food, before taking food, you must sanitize your hands. But if you are near to your sink, you have to wash with better to wash with soap or soap, that is
Ab-
better.
yeah, absolutely. I mean, washing your hands
And
properly is the best. Yeah.
and uh, regarding food, actually you have to eat take lots of water,
Hmm.
uh, and antioxidant food materials like leafy vegetables, and every vegetable is having antioxidant properties. It keeps
Yeah,
risk of chronic diseases and these kind of epidemic diseases also.
absolutely. Yeah. So if we start observing any symptoms, say any mild symptoms, because see it's monsoon and almost everybody catches some kind of a cold or a little bit of fever, and that's your regular, season change viruses that we usually get, or so if you start showing a little bit of symptoms, maybe a little bit of cold or sore throat, what do you have to suggest? How do we take care of it? Because in this situation, if you have like if I get a little bit of sore throat, I'm going to panic a little bit, because so what do you suggest should be done?
Weather change, because of this weather changes, everybody is, you are absolutely right, because of this weather change everybody is getting cold and cough, slight nose blockage, but everybody is thinking that uh, कोरोना आ गया उन लोगों को, ऐसा ऐसा सोच रहे हैं सब लोग
Correct.
क्योंकि लास्ट 1 वीक से डेली नियरली 20 कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, मुझे कोल्ड आ गया, नहीं तो मे बी कोरोना आ गया है क्या, मैं डॉक्टर ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, मुझे पूछ रहे हैं सब लोग.
राइट. सो व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट, लाइक जब आपको कॉल्स आते हैं पेशेंट के कि कोल्ड हो रहा है और ये हो रहा है, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हो पहले?
जनरली मैं 2 days वेट करने के लिए बोल रहा है. अगर ज्यादा फीवरिश फीलिंग अबव 100 डिग्रीज फीवर आ रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैव टू आइसोलेट फ्रॉम द अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स. ऑब्जर्व
करेक्ट.
करना है.
या.
जनरली
राइट.
कोल्ड तो ज्यादा मेंबर्स को 80% ऑफ पीपल इज हैविंग दिस कोल्ड एंड कॉफ कंडीशन. इसीलिए 2 दिन के लिए उन लोगों को पूरा फैमिली मेंबर से अलग होना चाहिए. उसके बाद उन लोगों को फीवर 100 से ऊपर हो गया तो उन लोगों को एक बार उसे टेम्परेचर चेक करना पड़ेगा. 100 से ऊपर हो गया तो तब उन लोगों को ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा उन लोगों को
तो अगर
जाने.
थोड़ा सा माइल्ड फीवर है तो यू कैन जस्ट टेक योर पैरासिटामोल एंड आइसोलेट योरसेल्फ घर पे ही एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ टिल ऐसे हो सकता है कि इट इज जस्ट योर बेसिक कोल्ड एंड कॉफ काइंड ऑफ अ फीवर एंड देन इट इज गॉन. ऐसे हो सकता है, राइट?
इसके साथ अगर इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर्स कुछ भी फूड में, नहीं तो काढ़ा है ना, उसमें टर्मरिक एंड जिंजर, तुलसी, ऐसा होम मेड रेमेडीज है तो वो यूज करने से जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा उन लोगों का.
So what is the kadha that you're talking about? Turmeric, ginger?
टर्मरिक, जिंजर एंड तुलसी. इनिशियल स्टेजेस ड्यूरिंग इन कोरोना वायरस फरवरी से सब लोग है ना काढ़ा डिफरेंट अलग से बनाए, तो उसमें शुंठी, ड्राई जिंजर एंड ब्लैक पेपर ये सब डाल के लिया था। लेकिन उस टाइम में मुझे ज्यादा कॉल्स क्या हुआ था, उन लोगों को पूरा बॉडी हीट ज्यादा गर्म करके उन लोगों को यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन एंड स्पाइल्स कंप्लेंट एंड बॉयल्स आना बॉडी में शुरू हो गया।
Because
क्योंकि
of the turmeric in pepper that is heaty. Yes, because the quantity of turmeric is extremely important. Yeah,
use quantities and they are taking really 3 to 4 times per day. It
that is
really
wrong.
hits.
It's not needed. It's not needed.
You have to check,
Other problems happen.
right? You have to check whether it is suited to your body condition or not first. After that, how much quantity is suited for you, you have to check that also.
Yes, and also there are types of turmeric. Like basic तो अपना हल्दी powder होता है घर पे, and then there is the raw turmeric. I think that is the best, right?
Better is better.
Get hold of a raw turmeric. Yeah. So from hygiene point of view, other than the things that we regularly do, the basic hygiene है. So apart from that, food hygiene or अपने जो surroundings है, whatever, because now kids are also not able to go out and they are also staying at home. So what do you have to say that we have to take care of from hygiene point of view?
आपको हमजा जी आपको मालूम है ना, बचपन से हमारा मदर्स एंड ग्रैंड मदर से सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बाहर जाने के बाद अंदर आने के वक्त हाथ धोना, मुंह धो लो, नहीं तो अगर हो सकता है तो सेकंड टाइम भी है ना बाथिंग करने के लिए बोलते हैं। बचपन से हमारा हम वही कंटिन्यू करना है एक्चुअली, वही हाइजीन।
Going back to our roots, that is what it is कि जूते घर में आने से पहले बाहर निकालो. That is basic. और फिर wash your hands, face and feet.
Right.
As basic as it gets. And what do you have to say about taking care of elders? Like my grandmom is 90 years old. So I have my family members are between 60 and 90. Okay, so what do you have to suggest specifically from their point of view?
Yeah, older ones and younger ones are same like that only. Both are same at that point of phase.
हाँ.
दोनों के लिए जनरली सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बाहर मत घूमना, कोरोना की वजह से ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी their immunity levels are slowly going down. That's why actually I suggest at least 5 to 10 minutes के लिए बाहर है ना घूमने के लिए बोलिए। उसकी वजह से विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी अगर ज्यादा हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा इम्यूनिटी लेवल्स जल्दी कम हो जाता है। अगर बाहर घूमने से थोड़ा सा विटामिन डी सन से ऑब्जर्व होगा तो इम्यूनिटी लेवल्स जल्दी हमें इंक्रीज होता है। वो फर्स्ट थिंग इज होममेड फूड ही देना है। होममेड फूड में ज्यादा उनका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम थोड़ा स्लो डाउन होता है ना, इसीलिए रात के टाइम पे आपको पल्सेस अवॉइड करना, ज्यादा हेवी फूड रात को अवॉइड करना है। मॉर्निंग टाइम पे जो कुछ भी ब्रेकफास्ट दे रहे हैं ना थोड़ा ज्यादा देना है, लंच में थोड़ा कम करके डिनर में ज्यादा कम करना है। इन बिटवीन यू हैव टू गिव फ्रूट्स एंड ड्राई नट्स एंड वाटर, लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर
and lots of water. So basically healthy eating, first half of the day you can fill your stomach up with healthy food, obviously home cooked meals, and dinner evening 5 o'clock tarvata koncham light.
Wow, you are talking in Telugu. Nice.
So Abhi, this entire new normal, how are you adapting to the new normal? You as a doctor, how are you adapting to this?
Initially in Feb and March, it's quite difficult for me to manage everything because children are continuously at home. After that, I maintained one system. मॉर्निंग उठने के बाद है ना बच्चों का ना, पहले उठने के बाद इन लोगों का तो ऑनलाइन क्लास शुरू हो गया बच्चों का, मॉर्निंग 2 hours एंड आफ्टरनून 2 hours। मॉर्निंग टाइम में थोड़े जल्दी उठ के दे आर आल्सो हेल्पिंग विथ मी इन हाउस होल्ड वर्क, डोमेस्टिक वर्क and cooking, and they are boiling milk and they preparing milkshakes for themselves only and I am enjoying a lot with my children. And
so जो अभी आपके patients है, they are basically आप you're actually physically meeting them या आप सिर्फ phone call पे you're taking all the
yeah, taking phone calls only, phone calls and video calls only. Online consultation I am taking continuously. Okay. That's why rarely I'm going weekly, twice or thrice only. I'm going to clinic.
Right.
I have clinics here in Hyderabad, but
Right.
I'm not
Yeah.
going there.
So those of you who are joining in now, guys, I'm in conversation with Dr. Sarla. She's a homeopathic health specialist, and she's a doctor from Hyderabad. And she is helping us out with all the queries. So you can shoot your questions if you have any. I have a lot of questions to go. So my next question is, so you're saying that you go out as far as getting your dose of vitamin D is concerned, you can go out for a few, minutes for a walk or a stroll. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
But is staying at home only the solution? घर पे ही बैठना है यही solution है अभी के लिए?
ओनली बैठने से सबका डिप्रेशन लेवल्स ज्यादा हो रहे हैं सबको पहले
Yeah,
वर्किंग वुमेन को तो और भी ज्यादा हो रहे हैं कंटिन्यूअसली हाउस होल्ड वर्क उसके बाद बच्चों का वर्क एंड ऑफिस वर्क ऑनलाइन घर पे बैठ के करना है ना पूरा उन लोगों का
yes,
ऑफिस वर्क इसीलिए दे आर स्लाइटली डिप्रेस्ड अगर 5 to 10 minutes के लिए कुछ खरीदने के लिए गया तो लेकिन सैनिटाइजेशन इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग अगर बाहर जाना है तो एंड सेकंड थिंग इज सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग
yeah.
एंड थर्ड
Market
वन
तो it's अभी के लिए तो it is like a big plan लगता है मार्केट जाने के लिए.
जाने के लिए एक प्लान बना के प्लान को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा आपको
Yeah, yeah. तो फिर अभी इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट के लिए बूस्टर इम्यूनिटी क्या करना चाहिए? जैसे आपने ऑलरेडी बोला कि वी कैन इंक्लूड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इज दैट इनफ एंड क्या करना?
मैं ऑलरेडी आप ऑलरेडी बताया था ना मुझे 76 प्रोडक्ट्स इम्यून पेटेंट प्रोडक्ट्स है उसमें एक इम्यूनिटी के लिए भी डेवलप किया था मैं क्योंकि होम्योपैथिक बेसिक प्रिंसिपल इज टू डेवलप इम्यूनिटी ऑफ आवर बॉडी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ वायरसेस और डिसीजेस
बराबर.
होम्योपैथिक होने के बाद पहले हमें ना वही सिखाते हैं कॉलेजेस में
हम्म.
अगर बॉडी में इम्यूनिटी ज्यादा है तो किसी तरह के डिसीजेस एंटर होने के लिए ना हमारा बॉडी रेसिस्टेंस पावर फाइट करेगा वो वायरस और एपिडेमिक में बैक्टीरिया के लिए नहीं तो डिसीजेस किसी भी तरह के डिसीजेस के अगेंस्ट फाइट करेगा तब हमारा ऑटोमेटिकली किसी डिसीज और वायरल इन्फेक्शन बॉडी में एंटर होने के लिए रेडी नहीं होगा ना
होगा एग्जैक्टली टू बी prepared for whatever is coming our way. That is what it is. तो अभी जो ये सिम्टम्स है जैसे ओरिजिनली जब द पैंडेमिक सेट इन तब वो टाइम पे जो सिम्टम्स थे वो अभी काफी चेंज हो गया राइट. सिम्टम्स हैव चेंज अलग अलग सुनाई दे रहा है और इंडिया स्पेसिफिक सिम्टम्स हैव बीन वेरी डिफरेंट एज कंपेयर्ड टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज वेल. तो आपको इंडिया स्पेसिफिक अभी जो सिम्टम्स आपके पेशेंट के थ्रू या जो भी है वो क्या टाइप के सिम्टम्स है?
अब इंडियंस में कंपैरेटिवली अदर कंट्रीज से कंपेयर करा तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा इंडियंस का इम्यूनिटी लेवल्स आर मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली डेथ्स इन इंडिया आर वेरी लेस.
राइट.
इंडिया में 3-4 days पहले मैं 10 members कोरोना अफेक्टेड पेशेंट से बात किया था उन लोगों का एक का तो लंग्स में फाइब्रोसिस शुरू हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ म्यूकस एक्यूमुलेशन इन इनर पार्ट्स ऑफ लंग्स.
ओके.
Unable to breathe. Their breathing is very short breathing and heavy breathing. At the same time, fibrosis formation is there in the lungs. It's a chronic condition. And second symptom is development of blood clots in legs, hands, means small blood vessels in hands and legs, and brain also, brain and lungs. Because of that, they are getting cerebral strokes. In chronic cases, they are going into coma also.
Right. So this is in all age groups. These symptoms are found in all age groups.
Mainly 50 years to 60 years, in between 50 years to 60 years.
50 to 60
teenagers and children are not mostly affecting. Only
Okay.
50 to 60 years age group people are affecting mostly with this type of blood clotting symptoms. And news 2 days before I got one corona patient. He said ulcers, mouth ulcers are more. Mouth ulcers are there.
Oh, Okay.
Only mouth ulcers without any cold, cough, and fever. He got only that kind of symptom. After that, he thought that he is having between B12 deficiency and riboflavin deficiency. He is going on taking since 10 days these two things, but
Okay.
after that also he is not got relief from that, and he consulted me. I told him to go for this coronavirus test, and he is positive. After that, he started using our immunity booster, and
Hmm.
within 2 weeks, everything is reduced.
That's cool. That's cool. So basically, with any homeopathic medication, if you are on any other medication, just like there is a diabetic patient or maybe there is a cancer patient or whatever, they would be on their regular medication. So if they are taking any homeopathy medicine, that should not be a problem.
No, no, there is no interaction between any allopathic medication and homeopathic medication.
Okay. So it's
Homeopathy,
extremely safe to take homeopathy,
ah,
even if you are on any other medication.
right. If he is suffering with any kind of diseases from months baby, days baby to older age, he can use homeopathy because homeopathy is not affecting any other medicines actions. At the same time, there is no side effect of homeopathy medication.
Hmm. Correct. But
And
Abhi, yeah, go on, go on.
pregnancy ladies also, they can use homeopathy medication. It develops immunity for both mother and child also. Right.
Yeah, so that is the safest option. Yes. So, currently in India, the mortality rate, the death rate due to COVID is pretty, as compared to the rest of the world, is much lesser.
Right.
So, what is the reason for that?
In India, they take more spicy food and they use different kinds of food. That's why our immunity levels are very, very much greater than other countries. We are,
Masalas. So, no, so I have to tell this, guys. I mean, the West is behaving as if they have just found turmeric, like they have just got to know about turmeric. But, guys, we use turmeric in almost every meal, and it is a household, spice that is found in every Indian house around here. And every kitchen in India has turmeric, and we use it in almost every meal. But what I have seen with my friends living abroad is that they have gone because the media is going crazy about turmeric right now, and there are too many articles about how you should include. So there's this pumpkin spice latte which you get in Starbucks, and the problem is that you cannot have turmeric in big amount. That is going to give you a lot of heat, because of which you will have other problems. So turmeric has to be had in a very nominal amount, and should we have? I mean, it should not just be had straight away. It needs to be cooked, or it needs to be had in milk or water or some form, right? There are a lot of people who are not Indians, but they are using turmeric, I feel, excessively or in a wrong way. But then at the same time, Indians are having a better immunity because we have a lot of masalas, and our masalas consist of all these amazing antioxidants, right?
right.
That's why the mortality rate in India is low. So we should, so the lesson learned is going back to our roots. So starting from namaste and not handshake, we are going back to our roots. I am absolutely, like, I have stopped gymming now. I have not been to the gym, so I have gone back to yoga and all the floor exercises, and I've gone back to my breathing exercises. So I'm learning Ashtanga and all forms of meditation, and that has been wonderful. I mean, I'm able to, so I'm completely atmanirbhar when it comes to any of this, the cooking or exercises. I'm taking care of myself. I'm cleaning the house myself. I think a lot of us are doing that now, that we've learned to live by just by ourselves. तो बॉम्बे में जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ पे it is so strict that we still don't have any maids coming. So when you see any of my cooking shows, like any of my cooking videos, I am doing everything from scratch. So earlier कैसे था कि there was a maid that she used to help me out and all of that, but now I'm just used to planning, cleaning, and all of that I'm doing myself. I think that is a big change that has come. तो आप भी वही कर रहे हो घर पे?
घर पे मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ लेकिन माय चिल्ड्रन आर हेल्पिंग एंड माय हस्बैंड इज आल्सो हेल्पिंग
I
थ्री
have to
मेंबर्स.
take care of myself. You have to take care of two kids. Yeah, I can understand. So I have just a couple of questions more now. One is, I have asked all the major questions, but if any of us think that we are infected, like if we are sure that we have gotten COVID, if we think that way, report आने से पहले जैसे होता है, can a immunity booster जो आप बोल रहे हो, can it help? मतलब किस हद तक it can help?
ऑलरेडी कोविड इफेक्ट हो गया ना, उन लोगों को दिया था विद इन 4 days दे गॉट बेस्ट रिजल्ट. Their
Okay,
temperature came down and their cold and cough came down and their difficulty in breathing also normal.
right,
And हमें अगर कोविड आया ऐसा लगा तो इमीडिएटली, अगर स्टार्टिंग से जनरली कोविड आने के बाद आफ्टर 6 or 7 days ओनली वो सिम्टम्स बाहर आते हैं. either it may be cold or cough or fever or anything, मे बी
okay.
स्टमक इन्फेक्शन भी हो सकते हैं, ज्यादा मोशंस होने ऐसा भी.
Hmm.
लेकिन कोविड आने से 2 दिन पहले, कोविड सिम्टम्स बाहर आने से 2 दिन पहले से ही वी आर एक्टिंग एज ए कैरियर्स.
Right,
ज्यादा
right.
उन लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलता है उन लोगों को कोविड है, लेकिन दे एक्ट एज इन स्प्रेडिंग दिस कोरोना वायरस.
Exactly, because किसी किसी को symptoms है, किसी को है ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी, and they are testing positive.
क्योंकि इंडिया में ज्यादा इम्यूनिटी है ना, इसीलिए ज्यादा मेंबर्स आर एक्टिंग एज कैरियर्स. दे
Right.
डोंट जो if anybody is having low immunity levels like children or elder peoples, they are easily getting this covid virus immediately.
Correct, correct.
घर पे ही रहते हैं ये लोग तो, बच्चे एंड ओल्डर लोग.
अभी जो मतलब आफ्टर you're detected with COVID, जो your immunity really is hit bad. मतलब after effects of COVID are pretty serious and it takes a long time to cure. That is what I have seen and I'm getting to know. Right? मतलब organs affect हो रहे हैं. Lot of people are having major hair fall. Lot of people are losing appetite. ऐसे काफी सारी चीजें हो रही है with post कोविड जिनको जो अभी मतलब कोविड से बाहर आ गए, लेकिन ऑल
नहीं,
द yeah, they're still there, they're facing that. So for that, what do you suggest?
नेगेटिव आने के बाद जनरली उन लोगों के इम्यूनिटी लेवल्स लो होते हैं उस टाइम पे. अगर बॉडी में कुछ वायरस है तो जनरली वो पूरा बॉडी का जो कुछ भी न्यूट्रिशन है वो ले लेते हैं. इसीलिए हमारा इम्यूनिटी लेवल ठीक होने के बाद, नेगेटिव होने के बाद कुछ दिन के लिए, मे बी 10 to 15 days के लिए वीक हो जाता है. उस टाइम पे आपको ज्यादा एंटीऑक्सीडेंट फूड्स लेना पड़ेगा. अगर
Okay.
इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर्स, हमारे इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर पहले से भी फर्स्ट दिन से कोविड पॉजिटिव आने के बाद, आपको पता चलने के बाद फर्स्ट डे से एवरी हाफ एन आवरली 5 drops देने के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. अगर ऐसा लिया तो उन लोगों का ये प्रॉब्लम्स आप जो कुछ भी बताते हैं ना, वीकनेस लेवल ज्यादा होना, हेयर फॉल ज्यादा होना, नहीं तो क्रैम्पिंग बॉडी में पूरा आना, बॉडी पेन से सब कुछ, पोस्ट कन्वालेसेंस पीरियड बोलते हैं, आफ्टर अफेक्टिंग डिसीज प्रॉब्लम्स, ये सब कुछ, ये प्रॉब्लम्स तो नहीं हो रहे. मैं जो कुछ भी पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट किया था उन लोगों को. लेकिन अगर ऐसा विदाउट एनी इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर, इफ दे केम आउट फ्रॉम कोरोना वायरस, अगर नेगेटिव आए तो उन लोगों को ज्यादा वाटर देना है और प्रोटीन फूड ज्यादा देना है और ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड फ्रूट्स कंटिन्यूसली देना है. एवरी 3 hourly दे हैव टू टेक स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड आइटम्स
Right,
so that
right.
recover fastly from these
Recover and
symptoms.
get back the immunity. Right.
Normal.
There are a lot of people asking me how I got in touch with you and how I know you. So I would like to tell all my viewers who joined in right now that I got in touch with Dr. Sarla because I got to know about her medication through my managers who had tested positive in Hyderabad. And this medicine that she has formulated has been really a big help for some COVID affected patients who were from my industry that I knew personally. And that's how I found out about her medication first and then about her. Then I got in touch with, because मैंने काफी study किया regarding her medicine. And as I told you guys earlier, that I am a big believer in homeopathy medicine. Um, so I have taken a variety of medicines since childhood, and I've seen that how it affects, how it really is, given me some amazing changes in the things that I've seen. And will be in a very short time, not for like it has not taken too long to actually show the results. So that's how I got to know Dr. Sarla, because I came across her medication, and then my managers who were affected, there were a few friends in Hyderabad who were affected and had tested positive, and they actually got out of it. One of my manager actually, he just had वो young भी है, he's just in his 20s, but he just had basic loss of taste and smell. उसको ना फीवर था ना कुछ थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन था कुछ नहीं था he just lost completely loss of taste and smell, and he was just taking an immunobooster from you, I think, from Neon Health. Yeah, and he came out of it, I think, within 4 days. Uska smell and taste got back, and he tested negative. So that's how, guys, I got in touch with Dr. Sarla and her company. And I'm really glad that I had this opportunity to understand everything directly from a doctor. कि हम लोग इसके बारे में काफी पढ़ रहे हैं, and we're listening and reading a lot. But this was really helpful that I got to know directly from you, and I could ask all my questions, and you were very patiently answered. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Hamza ji.
Yes, and guys, this live for you guys to refer again will be on my IGTV. I'm going to be posting it for anybody who has missed it or was not able to see the full live. You will find it on my IGTV to refer back. So do share this live to all your loved ones so that it will be helpful. So thank you so much, Dr. Sarla. I won't be taking any more of your time.
Thank you, Hamza ji. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, that was nice and important. And after a long, I had the time to talk to a doctor directly and get all the information. So I hope it was all helpful for you guys too. So to refer back to this video, if you've missed out on any questions, it's going to be on my IGTV. So do refer to that and share this video with all your loved ones. And I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Because there are a lot of questions regarding that, guys. My next video will be coming up on Friday. And stay tuned Friday evening. My next video. Love you all. And happy Janmashtami. It's Dahi Handi today. So celebrate at home, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourselves, stay healthy, eat home cooked meals, and take care of your family and loved ones. And thanks for all the love and all the hearts. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.